சின்ன bro, fish here only understand Tamil, bro. Yeah.
How much we got? All the credit goes to Sam, man. I'm only to chicken fried rice. Vanakkam, Namaskaram, welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we are going on an exciting fishing adventure in the Bhavani River, which is located in Kallipatti, and it's come under Gobichettipalayam, Erode District, Tamil Nadu. And I am from Northeast Arunachal Pradesh, and today I'm gonna go for fishing with my Tamil friends and my cousin brother. I hope we're gonna get load of fish. So let's enjoy the adventure. So this is going to be an epic cross-culture fishing trip. Wait, your phone. Bye. Wait. Oh, bye. Bro's phone almost fall down. Alright guys, we have reached the Kallipatti River, and now it's the time to see who is the real fisherman. Me or my Tamil friend. Take that. Kallipatti River, which comes from Bhavani. Finally we reach Kallipatti. Finally we came to the Kallipatti River. Actually this is Bhavani River. It's the boat. So we're gonna put our spot here. Let's sit here, why?
That stone now, you see the stone?
Yeah.
That we get a lots of stone. Look at that.
Yeah. Ooh.
Snake.
Snake, that will easily. This is how I tie the line in the water. So now I'm gonna add hook here, 2 or 3 hook. Then we're gonna put bite and we're gonna throw. This look like bread. Now we're gonna put bite. So guys, finally I'm done with the bite. This is called samosa bite. I'm gonna show you the process. Okay, ready? We're gonna See, yeah?
Got?
I think so. Guys, we missed the first shot. No worry, we're gonna try again. So guys, we came to the another location, and yet we did not catch any fish. So we're gonna explore this place. Oh my god. Oh boy, look at this. Is this a cave? What is this place, man? This place looks scary, right? What you guys say? We have to explore or not? Okay, let's go. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Oh my god, I think this is danger. Oish. Oh my god. Look at this place, guys. Ooh. Oh. Guys, open. Fishing. God, my leg is itching. Okay, bro. Okay, guys, let's continue our fishing. Ayo.
अरे पागल
पागल सो में okay.
zoom பண்ணி எடுங்க
They're so far. They got one.
we got one
No, they got one. You guys see what I just got. Guys, I got the fish. The chinna size, but look at them, guys. They got big one. And one more fisherman, the professional fisherman. Aviles, my friend, who is busy. No fish by
Bro, fish here only understand Tamil, bro. Yeah.
Lorenzo. One second. Okay, guys, so we're gonna show you how much we got. Where will remove? Here.
Yeah, I put.
Okay. Here of this. So this is our catch for today. This means me.
Mean.
If anybody knows the name of this fish, please comment below and tell us. Okay, guys. What type of flower is this? So guys, we are done with the fishing and we'll go home. So guys, these are the fish we got from Kallipatti River and now all set.
Okay.
Cook. So finally guys, we are having our dinner. I forgot to make video, bro. This all credit goes to Sam. Yeah. Or prepared by Sam. Tasty. So we're watching I feel. How is it, bro? Just recording. Nice. All the credit goes to Sam. Ram only cook your chicken fried rice. You're welcome. Alright guys, we have done our dinner and now it's time to sleep. The day was awesome. That was an amazing fishing experience. Fishing in Bhavani River never disappoints. Guys, we're gonna end our video. If you enjoyed the vlog, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys. Thank you. We're gonna see you in another video. Till then, stay safe, stay fine. Thank you.